Blenders. This is Lucia Sinatra from Italy. I am a singer, but I am also a makeup lover. So blend light now if you want to see how I create this makeup look with a bloodlust palette. And subscribe because I need your support. Finally, I've got mine. I know you see this baby already, but for me, this is a piece of art. The color of the velvet is beautiful. Gives you all this kind of contrast with light and dark purple. The first impression. Oh my goodness. Let's watch it very closely. Okay, let's do it. Ta-da! Let's start with Kiko Milano, a black pencil, royal paint, a little bit above my crease. And if you see any wrinkles, it's because I have it. Okay, let's blend, 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 blend. And while you are watching, blend like now. Blood queen in my crease. Just to create the shadows that I want. Okay, yesterday I saw the new release palette of Jeffree, which is a cremated palette. I already have a lot of nude palettes, so I don't think I need it. I don't know if I am into that kind of vibe. I love the metallic shadows. I loved the idea if it was in another moment, maybe. He never did a nude palette, so whoever wants to have a nude one, here is the chance. As you can see, the colors are very nice and you can blend it easily. Dungeon. Please forgive every mistake I will do because I'm Italian. Sometimes I may say strange things in a very strange pronunciation. Do you think that makeup have ages? I don't. I am in my 40s and I literally love makeup more than ever. As a singer, I used to play a lot with colors on stage and with accessorize on my persona. As you can see, it's very nice. My goodness, these eyelashes are so bold. And blend, blend, blend. I actually love these colors. Let's try the darker shadow in the palette, Executioner. I'm going to use Your Majesty on my brow bone. It's a little bit gray. Everybody say less is more, but maybe not for me. Time to play with the glitters. This is my makeup setting spray. Yeah. I will use the glitter only in the lower part of my lid. And then again, jet jewel in the inner corner of my eye. We are shining. Yes. Blend light now and subscribe. Blend light now and subscribe. Okay. Sephora eyeliner. Let's use Blood Queen on the lower part of my eye, and I want to connect it with my eyeliner. And my Essence mascara. It's time for falsies. And I want to add wet jewels in my lips too. Yes, it's interesting. So let's add some things. This beautiful rose. What about this? Let's use a clip. I did this by myself, by the way. Accessorize that I have in my studio. Okay, this looks interesting, and for the sultry, bold look, we are done. So don't you forget to subscribe and blend like now. And here you can watch my Resi palette tutorial. Ciao, ciao, ciao! The third eye sent me these beautiful lenses. If you want to try them, check in the info box and you will find a discount for yourself. Don't miss it. They are amazing.